With Remedly, you can generate patient statements in bulk or individually generate a statement for each patient and send it over to them. So right now, let's take a look at the individual patient financial history. I'm going to search for my patient Aina Dana. And here I'll see all of the history regarding the patients, when they were generated, when they were sent, and how they were sent to her. I can also generate a new statement for this patient, and then I can view some more information regarding this patient's demographics, the insurance that they have on file. From here, I can also run the eligibility check and also notate on any of the billing information about this patient. Now from here, I can also go into the billing ledger where I can record all of the payments for this patient and all of the refunds. If you're interested in learning more, please feel free to reach us at sales@remedly.com.